Rising within a park filled with thousands of cherry trees, the Hirosaki Castle stands as one of Japan's most beautiful historic fortresses. Located in Aomori Prefecture in northern Honshu, the castle combines samurai history with one of the country's most famous spring landscapes. Construction of the castle began in the early 17th century under the Tsugaru clan, powerful daimyo who ruled the Hirosaki domain during the Edo period. The fortress served as the political and military center of their domain, controlling the surrounding region. Completed in 1611, Hirosaki Castle was designed with multiple defensive layers. Stone walls, moats, fortified gates, and watchtowers created a strong defensive complex built to withstand potential attacks during Japan's feudal era. The castle's main keep originally had 5 stories, but lightning destroyed it in 1627. Nearly 2 centuries later, in 1810, a smaller 3-story keep was rebuilt on the site, which still stands today as the surviving tower of the castle. Unlike many castles that were demolished during Japan's modernization in the 19th century, Hirosaki Castle survived thanks to preservation efforts. Its original gates, turrets, and moats remain among the best preserved examples of Edo period castle design. Today, Hirosaki Castle sits within Hirosaki Park, famous for its breathtaking cherry blossom festival each spring. Visitors walk along the castle's moats and stone walls, while pink blossoms reflect across the water, blending natural beauty with centuries of samurai history.